From space, Earth appears as a silent marble of blue and white. Beneath the crust, however, the planet remains violently alive. Right now, over 1,300 active volcanoes act as pressure valves across the globe, holding back unimaginably huge reserves of heat and molten rock. Threat arrives as sound, not fire. Thousands of deafening explosions rock the planet as massive columns of pulverized rock and glass shoot into the stratosphere. The global aviation network dies in minutes. Volcanic ash melts inside jet engines, coating the internal turbines in liquid glass and permanently grounding every flight worldwide. For populations near the eruptions, daylight evaporates. Millions watch as clear skies vanish under a heavy, suffocating blanket of falling rock. Humanity realizes that the global logistics of disaster relief have evaporated. The death of our skies marks the definitive start of a planetary collapse. As those thousands of ash plumes merge, they choke the upper atmosphere. Solar panels stop generating power, and surface temperatures enter a freefall as sunlight fails to reach the ground. In 1815, the eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia provided a small-scale preview of this disaster. That single volcano was powerful enough to alter the entire planet's weather. This diagram shows the mechanics of a volcanic winter. When a volcano erupts, it injects sulfur dioxide and fine ash high into the stratosphere. This material creates a reflective veil that bounces incoming solar radiation back into space. Because of that single veil, global temperatures plummeted. 1816 became the year without a summer, characterized by widespread crop failures and regional famine. Multiplying that single eruption by 1,300 creates an exponential cooling effect, plunging the entire Earth into an immediate deep freeze. In a global geological catastrophe, the ultimate weapon that wipes out civilizations is starvation. The devastation extends to the hydrosphere. Hundreds of underwater volcanoes tear open the ocean floor simultaneously. The force of the shifting tectonic plates triggers violent underwater earthquakes, displacing billions of gallons of water and launching colossal tsunamis toward every major coastline. Coastal cities and entire island nations are destroyed. With major ports gone, global shipping routes freeze, causing the immediate collapse of the international economy. By the 6th month mark, the global infrastructure network reaches a breaking point. Hospitals exhaust their stocks of imported medicine, while power grids, cut off from fuel supplies and replacement parts, fail permanently across entire continents. Survivors must wear heavy filtration masks. The air is thick with microscopic, razor-sharp silica particles that shred lung tissue with every breath. Governments declare global emergencies. For the first time in history, every country faces the same enemy, Earth itself. Does modern geology actually allow every volcano to erupt at once? This diagram of magma systems provides the answer. Volcanoes are powered by localized, isolated magma chambers, rather than a single shared pool of lava. Because tectonic processes are highly localized, no known physical mechanism exists that could trigger all 1,300 volcanoes simultaneously. This thought experiment exposes how interconnected Earth's systems are. Shifting rock poisons the sky, which alters the weather, which ultimately destroys the food supply. This experiment reveals that Earth is an actively evolving, highly complex machine that possesses enough latent power to humble humanity at any moment. If scientists gave us a 1-week warning before a global eruption, where would you go? Comment your survival plan below. And subscribe to Future Decoded, because the next great mystery is already sleeping beneath our feet.